Hello everyone! Today's video will feature 2022 short hairstyle ideas from influencers. So the first one kicks things off with Sarah, who has a bit of an undercut bob. She's going to show us how to blow out your hair by using this new shark tool. This new shark blow dryer looks like it has a diffuser attachment as well as a brush. And this is just perfect for offering variety for those of us who want to style and do our hair at home versus going to the salon. So there is the finished results. Her hair is shiny and sleek. Alright, so next up, I don't know if you guys follow her on Instagram, but if you have short hair and you like to color it and cut it from time to time and just try out different hairstyles, definitely check her out on Instagram. She has amazing hair tutorials and they're usually fairly detailed so you can actually see what she's doing. So in these two clips, she is dyeing her hair and then she is doing like curtain style bangs in the front. Loving the look of the silver money piece. Such a pretty hair color. And then the results of her curtain bangs are just absolutely stunning. So pretty. Alright, so next up we are going to see some inspiring bob hairstyles. This look is pretty simple. She's simply just twisting the front portion of her hair, twisting it back, and then pinning it in order to create a cute little style. Love her red lipstick. Alright, so for the second tutorial, she is pinning back her hair in a twist and just kind of showing off that pop of the blonde that she has. Very pretty. Next up, we're seeing a few more ways to style your bob. This clip, it looks like she got it trimmed a little bit. Alright, the next girl, she actually has the pixie haircut. You guys, if you haven't already checked out my video of me explaining what a pixie is, definitely check that out. But here she is just kind of blowing out her hair. I've actually never seen that type of hair tool before, where it just kind of dries your hair and brushes it at the same time. I think that's really clever. Alright, and here she is blowing out her hair the old-fashioned way. I think her hair is actually shorter in this clip than it was in the previous one. And you can tell that she has naturally curly hair, so she really has to get in there with the brush in order to get it smooth and sleek. But the results are gorgeous. Her hair is very fluffy and full. Loving the bangs in this next clip. Absolutely gorgeous hair. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I know it was short, but thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.